Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channels Pharma and Medical Device Updates. Here you will get weekly updates from pharma and medical device field. Friends, currently maximum news are revolving around COVID-19. So first news coming from leading diagnostic company Abbott. They launch economic antigen testing and which is approved by US FDA. Friends, cost of this test is only $5. They launch with this price in US. In antigen testing market, till time, only three companies get US FDA approval. First one is Quidel, second one is BD, and now Abbott get US FDA approval for antigen testing. So it's a really good news for Abbott. Friends, next news coming from British multinational company AstraZeneca. They initiated phase 1 clinical trial for their monoclonal antibody combination, which they will going to use for prevention and treatment of COVID-19. The trial will evaluate the safety, tolerability, and pharmacokinetics of this monoclonal antibody combination. The name of this monoclonal antibody combination is AZD7442. Friends, our next update is coming from one of the leading cardiology conference, ESC, that is European Society of Cardiology, that completed in last month only, where Merck SGLT2 inhibitor shows limited promise with heart failure hospitalization data. Friends, SGLT2 inhibitor is an anti-diabetic drug, but since last couple of years, this class that is SGLT2 inhibitor showing cardiac benefit also. Here Merck company brand name is Steglatro. The molecule name is ertugliflozin, and they try to showing their cardiac benefit, and that data they publish in this big conference. That Steglatro cut patient risk by 30% and the combined risk of total hospitalization or cardiovascular death by 17%. Friends, next news again coming from British multinational company that is AstraZeneca. Their COVID-19 vaccine AZD1222 expands into US phase 3 clinical trial across all adult age group. In this phase, they will assess its safety, efficacy, and immunogenicity. Friends, next news coming from medical device company Synchron, which is a neurovascular bioelectronic medicine company. Synchron's Stentrode received US FDA breakthrough device designation. Friends, that Stentrode is a fully implantable medical device that can translate brain activity or stimulate the nervous system from the inside of a blood vessel without need for open brain surgery. It's a great breakthrough for that Synchron, and currently it's the only one device which get US FDA approval for clinical trials. Friends, next news coming from our Indian pharma company Intas. The research and development team at Intas has developed a COVID-19 specific hyperimmunoglobulin as a treatment for patients suffering from moderate to severe COVID-19 infection. That hyperimmune globulin it's prepared from the plasma of donor with high concentration of antibody. That is also one of the good news from our Indian pharma market. Thank you friends. Let's meet in next week with the new news and newer update from pharma and medical device field.